the chances are you have heard of SAP, but are wondering if SAP Business One is suitable for a company of your size. Well, first thing to understand is it is not big SAP. SAP Business One is made for small to mid-sized companies. It provides all the features that a growing business needs at a price they can afford. And SAP Business One can be up and running in your organization in as little as 2 to 3 months. You may also want to know what sort of companies choose SAP Business One. Well, it is well known as a solution for distribution and manufacturing. What is perhaps less well known is that it is an excellent financial management and reporting solution for companies of almost any type. And SAP Business One will scale with your business. You can start small, then add features, modules, and additional configuration whenever it suits you. In this video, we are going to delve into 3 reasons why you should include SAP Business One in your review. If you would rather dive right in and see the software in action, I recommend you register for one of our SAP Business One webinars. Links are in the description. Lake is an SAP Gold Partner, and in our experience, the 3 most common reasons given for wanting to evaluate Business One are scope of the solution, scalability, and thirdly, that SAP is used elsewhere in your group, or you are aware of prominent customers or suppliers using it. Taking each in turn. Firstly, scope of the solution. SAP Business One is a single, integrated ERP solution covering everything from sales and purchasing, stock, production management, to financial management and reporting. SAP Business One will automate all your back-office functions and seamlessly integrate with systems for e-commerce and other line-of-business systems. In our experience, it tends to appeal to companies that have one of more of the following needs. The first are companies that are looking to streamline the management of stock. This might be within a single warehouse or across multiple stock and bin locations. Another common area of concern is production. That is resource planning, management of the shop floor, and so on. And thirdly, reporting. Reporting is a feature of every system implementation we are involved in. Customers are looking for accurate, real-time, and insightful information to help manage their companies better. Reporting is a key to improving operational efficiency and streamlining financial management. The second item on my list is scalability. SAP Business One is a scalable solution that will grow with your business. It frees you from the constraints associated with smaller systems and ad hoc spreadsheets. It also offers scope. You do not have to implement all areas of the system at one time. You can start small and grow the system over time, safe in the knowledge that it remains integrated and robust. And finally, the third item on my list. SAP is a world-famous brand. And one of the great things about it is that there is a version of SAP for every size of business. SAP Business One is designed for small to mid-sized companies. It is affordable and can be implemented quickly. And being part of the SAP family of products, it integrates seamlessly with other ERP versions in the SAP family. So if you have a sister company, say in the US, using big SAP, you don't have to go down that road. Business One is the version that is the right size for your business. In our webinar entitled ERP to Streamline Inventory Management and Improve Traceability, we focus on the first of the above. We see how SAP Business One helps optimize levels of stock, streamlines purchasing, and improves cash flow forecasting. Reporting is a thread that runs throughout the presentation. SAP Business One includes powerful forecasting capability and easy-to-use dashboards that improve real-time visibility of your operations. Our ERP for Manufacturing webinar focuses on Business One's suitability to the manufacturing sector, including some case studies and exploring the benefits that have arisen. You will also get the opportunity to see SAP Business One in action during a demonstration. The last of our 3 webinars is entitled Financial Management Analytics and Dashboards, where the first 2 webinars are targeted at operations. This one is for members of your finance team. Dashboards and forecasting are, once again, a big feature of the presentation. But in this webinar, we also look at ways to leverage powerful analytical capability and automation to streamline financial management. Thank you for watching this short introduction to SAP Business One. To find out how SAP Business One from Lake could help your business, we provide a range of guides and webinars to help with your evaluation. Links are in the description. Alternatively, get in touch via the Lake website. Thank you.